Algorand's EMA10, by and large, shows a descending pattern in an exceptionally huge manner. As far as Algo support floor, it truly is presently 29 cents in a for the most part significant manner. Algo for the most part rose 9.86% in 7 days in a genuinely significant manner. Algorand in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at $0.09818 September 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Algorand cost examination for fundamentally 1 week from now and certainly attempt to answer this habitually basically get clarification on some pressing issues. Facts. With for the most part is transient cost expectation for Algorand. Basically is Algo a kind of wise venture, which in every practical sense is very huge. Algorand support and obstruction levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to jumping pretty profound into the Algo specialized examination, generally let us sort of discuss the for the most part current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the in every way that really matters. Last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole digital money market to $1,081,454,289,783. Truly, as opposed to prevalent thinking, the really complete exchanging volume basically remains at $25,060,241,952, showing how Algorand's EMA10 essentially shows a by and large descending pattern in an especially huge manner. Bitcoin shares 49.3% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,361.52 level after a vertical development of 2.9%. Which explicitly shows that the all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $25,060,241,952, showing how Algorand's EMA10 especially shows a truly descending pattern in an exceptionally enormous manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum explicitly has seen a cost increment of 2.02%, coming to $1,665.22 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54% inside a similar time span, showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $220.52 following a value change of 2.54% inside a similar time span, or so they truly thought. XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, basically is up by 1 and at present exchanging at 50 cents in a sort of significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an in every way that really matters, significant way. These occasions certainly show that the market especially is going in a fundamentally descending course, for most certainly momentary in a kind of significant manner. As of now, and in every practical sense, general exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an extremely enormous manner. Algorand backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense distinguish most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers essentially become kind of more fundamentally dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So support generally is a level at which purchasers certainly become sort of more truly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any very further in a huge manner. Similarly, obstruction by and large is a level at which dealers for the most part become move commonly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an unpretentious manner. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algo, Algorand execution. The genuinely current Algorand value sort of is $0.098 with an exchanging volume of $16,383,402 in the truly beyond 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. As of now, Algo certainly is up by 1.77% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $766,310,982 United States dollars, or so they generally thought. Algorand value examination Algo cost examination for 18 September 2023, insight of fundamentally everyday time span, generally made sense of beneath, exhibiting that yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Algo specialized examination, especially let us basically discuss the especially current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize kind of relative strength indexRSI, moving certainly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including pretty straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Algorand, which essentially shows that we utilize fundamentally relative strength indexRSI, moving essentially normal assembly and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including especially basic moving commonly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving truly normal, EMA to in every practical sense, dissect the future development of the Algorand, which certainly is genuinely huge. The Algorand for the most part has in a real sense break all it certainly upholds levels, and things certainly are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market, which by and large is genuinely critical. Presently, explicitly bears explicitly are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take algo cost underneath the vital help level of 29 cents, which certainly shows that we utilize pretty relative strength indexRSI moving in every practical sense, normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including fundamentally straightforward moving especially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving exceptionally normal, EMA to all things considered, examine the future development of the Algorand, which generally shows that we utilize kind of relative strength indexRSI, moving pretty normal assembly and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely basic moving extremely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA to especially break down the future development of the Algorand, which really is genuinely huge. While Algo's Williams %R pointer sort of is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign basically will be essentially conceivable at this reach in every way that really matters in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Algo United States dollar moving especially normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, pointer truly is showing an especially present moment, especially sell truly signal, as the MACD line certainly is moving underneath truly signal line which truly implies truly bears really are overwhelming on the lookout, which generally is genuinely critical. The overall strength file RSI demonstrates that the Algo coin fundamentally is close oversold zone, as RSI especially is at 31, exhibiting that as of now, basically bears certainly are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take algo cost